A couple hundred people coming out tonight in Kalamazoo to talk about health care. A group of city leaders held a forum tonight where they discussed different options for health care reform. It allowed supporters and opponents to speak on the issue, though no national lawmakers were in attendance.
80% of the Americans are insured, pay for all the ones that aren't insured anyway. So if we have to pay for it anyway, we might as well have a comprehensive system that really gives everybody health care.
The most common complaint among both supporters and opponents is that Congress is moving too quickly to push this plan through. The president talking about his plan today in New Hampshire at a town hall meeting where he addressed critics and reframed his message. Steve Handelsman breaks down the day's events.
President Obama went to New Hampshire to reformulate his health care pitch that's taken a beating in the latest polls and town halls.
Health insurance reform.
Insurance reform is the new Obama spin.
Getting a good deal from the insurance companies. That's what I'm fighting for.
No ban on pre-existing conditions, no hiking rates or fees, no canceling insurance if you get sick.
Your health insurance should be there for you when it counts. Not just when you're paying premiums, but when you actually get sick. And it will be when we pass this plan.
Outside were pro-Obama demonstrators and opponents, some with nasty signs. One wearing a handgun, licensed, said police.
As long as it's carried openly, there's no violation at this point.
Some fear forced euthanasia of seniors.
Obamacare is creating a death panel.
Not true, he said, one of many wild rumors.
Where we do disagree, let's disagree over things that are real, not these wild misrepresentations that bear no resemblance to anything that's actually been proposed.
Participants were not screened, but none disrupted. But this was Democrat Arlen Specter's town hall in Pennsylvania this morning.
Wait a minute.
Democrat Claire McCaskill's meeting in Missouri this afternoon.
I don't want this to be who talks the loudest.
Is this fake outrage created by Republican organizers? Protesters say no.
And every time they say this is manufactured, they're pouring gasoline on the fire.
Heating up the summer debate over what President Obama now calls health insurance reform. I'm Steve Handelsman, NBC News, Washington.